Bonnell 775MX Honest Review. So let's go to its performance. The Bonnell 775MX packs a surprisingly strong engine that handles heavy-duty tasks like blowing, tilling, and hauling without strain. It offers smooth gear transition and an efficient fuel system, reducing the overall operating cost. Farmers report that even after long hours, it maintains consistent performance without overheating. And now let's go to the durability. This tractor is built to last, with a reinforced chassis and high quality steel components that can handle rough terrain and challenging weather conditions. The maintenance is very straightforward, and replacement parts are widely available, which is a big advantage for long term ownership. And now let's go to farming efficiency. The 775MX is highly versatile, which supports multiple attachments and offering excellent maneuverability for both small and large farms. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable for long days in the field, and the controls are intuitive even for new operators. So, for final verdict, the Bonnell 775MX is a workhorse that delivers both power and reliability at a competitive price point. If you are a farmer looking for a tractor that boosts productivity while keeping maintenance costs, this is a great choice for 2025. And that's it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.